Students, in this particular topic, okay, we'll be studying about refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab. Okay, you imagine glass of same shape and same size, okay, but you imagine it to be in a 3D form. Okay, you see, if the glass was this thick, okay, same shape and same size, but the glass is thicker. Okay, so I made a 3D form. Okay, this is the real scenario or the real picture of the glass. Okay, but you are given in a 2D form. Now see, what is normal. Okay, normal is a perpendicular line, okay, drawn from the surface. Okay, you see here, the where the incident ray strike, at that place only we start drawing normal. Here also, the point where the incident ray is striking the surface, we are drawing a normal. But what is the difference? Okay, here the light is going back, here the light is traveling back, right? But here the light is entering. But in the both case, in the case of reflection or refraction, normal is a line perpendicular to the surface drawn from a point of incidence. Okay, here also you see, this is incident ray, right? It is hitting out here. So at the point where the incident ray is hitting the surface, what we are doing, we are drawing a normal. Why we are drawing a normal? Because you see, with the help of normal we can mark our angle of incidence, to what angle the light has been incident, okay, and to what angle is the light getting reflected. Okay, here also see, I can make angle of incidence and I can make angle of refraction, right? To what angle the light has been incident and to what angle the light has been refracted. Okay, now here you see, okay, you see here, the light is hitting the surface. After hitting the surface, we are drawing a normal from that point. Okay, and what we have studied from a very beginning is that light always travels in a straight line. That means light should have traveled from E to P. This dotted line should be the real path of the light according to what we have studied since the very previous classes. Okay, that is, light travels in a straight line, so after striking here it will travel in a straight line. Okay, but what is the difference we are getting is, see, but what is the difference that we are getting out here is, see, the light is bending, the pattern of light is bending. Okay, it is not following the principle that the light travels in a straight line. Okay, see, this one is the actual ray of light. This should be the path of the light according to the principle. Okay, but this thing happens. Okay, it bends slightly, and the angle of incidence is more as compared to the angle of refraction. You see, this is broader as compared to this, because light has bent toward the normal. Okay, and in the next case, you see, after this light is entering out here, okay, again it is striking the next surface. Okay, and what happens out here is, this is now angle of incident. The angle of refraction in first case is the angle of incident in the second case. Okay, and after the light is hitting here, what is happening, we are drawing a line from that point, and we can see that the light is traveling away from normal. The actual one should be, I'm so sorry. Okay, the light is, see, it is going away from normal. It should be like this. Actual ray of light should be in this path, but it is going slightly away. Okay, so what we concluded over here is, when a light travels from one medium to another medium, okay, then what happens, the light ray, it bends towards the normal or away from the normal. That is the first thing. And second thing, what we concluded is, see, this is a rarer medium. Rarer medium means a lighter medium. and this is a denser medium. Okay, medium having more density, and this one is also a rarer medium, means this is rarer, this is denser, and this is rarer. Okay, air, glass, air. Then when the light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, okay, then it will bend towards the normal. Okay, and in the second case, when the light is traveling from denser medium to the rarer medium, okay, the light will bend away from normal. Okay, I hope you got the thing. Okay, these should be the real path of the light, but it went like this in the first case. It went towards the normal in first case, and second case, if this is the actual ray of light, okay, you forget about this. If this is the real ray of light, then it should go in this pathway, the line which I have drawn in with the pencil. See, straight is this, but it has bent away from the normal. That is, in this case, the angle of incidence is more than angle of refraction, but in second case, angle of incidence is less as compared to the angle of refraction. Okay, I hope you got the thing. Thank you.